just wanted to say that our prices are not negotiable. I've had several people ask me to consider that recently, but our prices are not negotiable. The way we set our pricing up is structured, and it's for a reason, and it's with intention. However, we do offer several forms of financing. We do the standard cut-in financing is you pay half now and then you pay the other half at cut-in. The good thing about it is most custom hair pieces take about 90 days to finish. So you do have that time in between, as far as pricing goes. Another one that we do is we do half now and you split the remainder up into two. We also, if you get 2 hair systems, we can finance those 2 hair systems over 12 months, but you have to put down 30% of the price, and then we finance the rest, right? Outside of that, we offer Afterpay. We also offer a payment plan. We also offer in-house financing. We also offer a card. There's a card that you can get where you can put the service on this card and pay it at your own leisure. For hair restoration, same things. The same types of financing is available, except for hair restoration, we take HSA and FSA as well. So there are options for you to finance your service. We've specialized in custom hair loss solutions. Everything is custom. When you come in for hair restoration, your plan is custom to your individual needs. And we, as far as non-surgical hair replacement, we specialize in cranial prostheses. Now, we do, of course, we have to offer semi-permanent solutions for people, which would be considered daily wear units, daily wear cranial prostheses, which some would call a wig. But for the most part, we specialize in medical wigs. We specialize in medical hair systems, and those are systems that you cannot put on at home. So I think sometimes that is the confusing part, because when you first experience hair loss, the first thought that you have is cosmetic, right? So automatically you think like, let me go to the salon and see what they can do. Sometimes it's just styling it different. Sometimes it's a hair piece. Sometimes it's using powder. Those are all cosmetic solutions to hair loss. So when you come in for your consultation, we will either refer you to our hair restoration program, or we will refer you to our non-surgical hair replacement program. It's either or. So that's the difference. But if you're looking for something that's just more cosmetic, like cover this up, you're looking for like very low pricing, different things, then a regular salon would be the best option for you, because they have a lot of different ways of covering things as well. They have a lot of different styling options as well. But Plentiful Hair Studio is a hair loss practice. And for cranial prostheses, we also accept insurance. We accept medical insurance for that. So this is a practice. So when you come here, you have to be looking for a medical unit or a hair loss solution based off of your particular area of loss, because that is our specialty. I'm trying to explain it in a better way. I wanted to go in the video and say, stop trying to negotiate my prices, but that's not the way to do it. I just want to say that there are different options when you are looking for this type of service.